And I already stubbed my toe, so be careful. Nuh-uh. We're gonna walk on this one, okay? Look at that. Look at this. It's like a natural little cave. Monkey bars, huh? Yeah, that sounds good. This is so neat. We're gonna wait. Look at that. Hey, I'm making a video for my 2 little boys. You want to say hi and tell them your names? Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Libby.
Libby? And what's your name?
My name's Kai Patrick Moniz.
Very cool. Thank you very much. And how old are you, Kai?
7 years old.
7? Oh, you're
And
George's
I'm 5
age.
years old.
And you're 5? You're only 2 years older than my youngest, Josh. He's 3. He'll be 4 in December.
My brother will be 4 on Wednesday.
Really?
My
Cool.
dog will be, my dog will be 15 in March.
Really?
He's the same birthday as me.
Oh, that's cool.
We're both March 9th too.
March 9th. Very nice. And what's your birthday, Kai?
My birthday is August 14th.
Very nice.
Okay,
Look at all of this. It's a natural jungle gym, George. You'd have a blast here. And here comes the stragglers.
Here comes the
I know.
Hawaiian hiking shoes.
Yeah, Hawaiian hiking shoes. I love it.
This is a how tree, Libby.
A how tree?
H-A-U.
H-A-U. It's a how tree.
Here comes the rain.
Cool. It's raining. You hear it?
Why is it raining right now?
Raining in a rainforest. Very cool.
Why rainforest?
You mind if I skip ahead, dear? So I can get the...
You can still
Hold on one sec. Thank you. Unobstructed views for you guys. Look at this.
Ooh, I smell
There.
coffee.
What do you smell?
Did you know that Hawaiian flower called peacocky is in the rainforest?
Say it again. Kikaki? That's the way you say it? A kikaki flower.
Yes.
Uh-oh.
What?
What's...
Guava.